Here in Newcastle, Indiana. Look at this. Look at this. It is bad, bad, bad. Well, look at the trees. I hope that tree right there don't fall on my head. Boy, what you doing up there? All these trees. But here's what I want to show you. Here's what my thing says right here. 10 below. You know, it has fallen a couple times onto the ground because it got real windy. I bet you point it the right direction, it'll even go lower. So let's see. It's still saying 10 below, so it don't matter. Anyway, there you go. 10 below. Gotta show you something though. I'm sorry, I'm stupid out here without a jacket.